Hello student, today we will learn how to create a text file in Python. So I'll start it with this: how to create a text file in Python. So to create a text file, I will use a variable, file variable, and that variable will be using one open method, and it will be opening a file. So what file? I will give a file name as bird.txt. And which mode this file will be opened? It will be opened in a write mode. So I'll write write mode because file has to be created. Now I want to write some content to this file, so I will take a variable contents, and that contents I will write here. Say I'll take some content from internet and I'll paste that content here. So I have taken a bird story and I have pasted here. Now when I have pasted it here, I want to save this content in the file. So to save it, what I'll write here file dot write method. I'll use a file, and then I will write what I want to write. I want to write these contents to the file. So I have written contents, and then after this I can write just a print command, and successfully written successfully successfully. So file has been written successfully. So done. And then once it is done, you can save it, and now you can run this program. Written successfully. Now once this file has been written successfully, go to your directory, and in the directory check out whether the file is there or not, bird. And in the bird you will have to check out that folder is in the PCP folder. So in the PCP you can check out for bird.txt. It is here. Now open this file, you will see that content is written here, and this is the content of that one. Seeing whatever story you picked up from the net, that story has come up here. Now after this, now once this has been done, now go back to your program. And now once this is one. So one step is done, file creation is done. So thank you very much for seeing this. Now in the next one we will read it. So the next program will be for reading it. So this is just one part. So thank you very much for seeing this, please.